So I've decided to start a YouTube channel. It's pretty much just a passion project of mine to share my passion with like-minded people out there in the world who would appreciate the content that I'm going to bring out. What are we going to do? We're going to do modifications. We're going to do maintenance. We're going to do lifestyle stuff. Maybe we'll throw some camper stuff in there. Maybe we'll throw some family stuff in there. It's just all over the place. I've been a part of the car community, going to car shows and online and Facebook and forums and stuff like that, and I just really enjoy it, and now it's my turn to give back. So let's walk around the truck and see what we got going on. All right, so what are we working with? We got a 2020 Chevy Silverado Z71. It's the crew cab edition. I got a 6-foot tall kid, so he's got to have plenty of leg room in the back. It's the short bed. Got the two-tone Gideon interior, the light tan with the dark brown there on all the hard surfaces and throughout. So if you guys are still here, you're my kind of people I want to hang out with. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that way you can stay up to date on all the content that I'm going to drop out on this truck. I'm going to be trying to post videos twice a week to start. Jump in the comment box. Leave me a comment. Tell me where you're from. Tell me what kind of truck you're driving. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. See you.